Vivo X200 Ultra and Vivo X200s phones have been launched in China. The Vivo X200 Ultra comes in black or red, and there is also a white version that imitates the design of Rimowa suitcases. The Vivo X200 Ultra sports a 6.82-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 2K resolution, with 4500 nits peak brightness. It comes equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. Run Android 15-based OriginOS Custom. The Vivo X200 Ultra features a 50MP primary camera with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 200MP periscope telephoto sensor. 50MP shooter on the front for selfies. The Vivo phone packs a 6000 mAh battery with 90W wired fast charging and 40W wireless charging. Starting price is 6,499 Chinese yuan for 12/256GB. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.